Hey everyone, it's me Yana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Yana. I make lifestyle videos, post-grad content, grad school stuff, all that jazz. So if you're interested, definitely hit the subscribe button. Today I decided to film a Sunday reset routine, and no, I don't do this every Sunday. It honestly depends, but I just like to do certain things that help me prep for the week, or at least I want to start doing more of that just because it makes you feel good. So I just got home, I was at church, and then went on a little lunch date with my boyfriend. So I'm just gonna change into some more like comfier clothes, and then I'm gonna go on a walk with my sister. I love getting some type of like movement in. Yesterday I did Pilates for the first time, and I'm so extremely sore. It kicked my butt, but I think like a nice walk will be like just what I need. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I want to cook dinner. I want to just tidy up a little bit. Like my bed still isn't made from this morning, like just little things, and I need to plan out my week, and you'll see what we all do. But I wanted to show y'all my outfit today because I think it's really cute. So I have these pants from Zara. They are the trendy pants that are always sold out, but I love them. I'm 5'1" and they're like not long on me at all. They're the perfect length. I like how they hold everything in. I got a size large, so I recommend sizing up in these because I got the medium and they were just a little bit too tight. But yes, and then my bodysuit is from Old Navy. I will link this below, and my necklace is from Amazon, and then I had gold hoops, but I took them off just now. But yeah, I'm gonna change into something more comfy. And I also have this bag that I got from Target that I wore with the fit. It was cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna change into some comfier clothes, and we'll start off our Sunday reset routine. Hey y'all, I am back from a walk. It was so nice. Like, it's gorgeous outside. My sister and I stopped at the gas station, and they didn't have clear cups, but I got an iced coffee because it was $1. Like, do I need another reason? Now I am going to just tidy up a little bit and do some things that I know will make me feel better throughout the week. Like, I need to figure this out. I need to wipe down the desk. I'm gonna make my bed even though it's 4 p.m. but it'll just make the room look good. I won't tackle like everything today because I'm gonna need like a full day of decluttering. But I think I will tackle this drawer because look how horrible that is. And I still haven't put my backpack away from school, even though school ended like a few weeks ago. But you know, it's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some tidying up, and then I'm gonna eat some dinner, and then I will show you guys how I plan for the weekend, kind of my like nighttime routine. So, and like I said before, I definitely don't do this every Sunday. I definitely don't do this every night. But when I'm feeling motivated and up to it and I do this, it really helps my week. So yes, cue the time lapse, me tidying up. Y'all, oh my gosh, okay, so my family just went to Costco and they got drumsticks. I could not resist. But I had dinner, went on a walk, tidied up. I decluttered this drawer that's been driving me nuts. So that feels good. But just doing like one thing, like sometimes I get overwhelmed on Sundays and I feel like I have to, you know, clean every single thing, make everything spotless, perfect. And some days I have, but it's okay to just do like one thing that you know will make the week easier. Like that drawer was driving me crazy because when I would be working and I'd want to like pull stuff out, it would get like messy and I just hated it. So that's what we're gonna do. And then a different day I'll organize my makeup drawers, I'll organize the bookshelf, like different things like that. I also need a day where I go through all my stuff and donate some stuff. I like to do that like twice a year. Cleaned out my backpack from school, which felt good. I can put it in my closet now since I won't need it until the fall. But yeah, so right now I'm just chilling watching YouTube videos because for some reason, I don't know, like Saturdays are for Hulu and Netflix, Sundays for me are for catching up on YouTube. Well, I did watch a little bit of Desperate Housewives, but I don't know, just like YouTube vlogs get me motivated, excited, and then I want to start planning. I'm debating on doing Pilates today. Like, I know I went on a walk and I said I was really sore, but I kind of want to do the Pilates video. I don't know, we'll see if I end up doing it or not. As we're talking about Pilates, I'm going to eat this delicious, beautiful ice cream because balance. So I'm gonna catch up on Bianca Franco's vlogs. That's a YouTuber I'm watching at the moment. And then I cannot wait to show you guys how I plan for the week because it's like my most like therapeutic time. I use a happy planner. If anyone is interested, there's like a big happy planner community and I don't know, I just love it. It's like so therapeutic for me. It's just, I'll show you once I do it. But yeah, so we cleaned, decluttered. I also made my bed, and yes, my room, oh, I also like tidied this up a little bit so it's a little more empty. It's not perfect, but like I said, just doing a quick little like putting things back where they belong, throwing out trash. I changed my trash, all that. So yes, doing those things help me feel so much less anxious, and also getting in some type of movement. If you ever have like the Sunday scaries or things like that, I definitely recommend going on a walk or doing some yoga or a workout, whatever it is. It just helps like calm you down. So we'll see what I end up doing, but yes, I will catch up with y'all in a little bit.
With our knees bent, take your hands behind your thighs.
Hello everyone, I apologize for the lighting. It's getting dark out. It's 8 o'clock. I did Pilates, washed my face, freshened up, you know, cleansed myself, you know, all the things. But now I'm going to, oh, I need to take my meds. This is a reminder to take your meds. Anyways, this is my planner, and like I said, I love using the happy planner to plan because it's more than just a planner. It's like a journal, memory book type thing, things like that. So basically what I do is I look at this past week and I like to fill in anything that I missed. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is this past week's spread. It's black and white and gold, so that was the theme. And I'll show you like last week's. Last week's was like really bright. Then this one looked like that. I don't know, and I like to write in the things that I did, like just, I don't know, just fun memories. Basically, I'm just gonna fill in today And then I will start planning this week, which I'm really excited about. I just really love it. I also haven't done my June page because I don't really know what to put here, but you know, we'll figure it out. So this is like my favorite part of Sundays, is getting to like plan the weeks. It is so much fun. I got my pens. I'm gonna grab my stickers and we're gonna do a little time lapse. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video while I plan, and then I will show you guys what my finished product looks like. Alright, so I finished planning for the week and I basically just wrote like stuff that's going on. So it's not really perfect, like the colors aren't super coordinated, but you know, it's more for functional purposes, but I don't know, I still think it's cute. Oops. So that's basically what my week looks like. I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So Thursdays are my day off, and I'm sure more stuff will come up. Friday I have therapy. Saturday is small group at my church starts at a coffee shop, which I'm really excited about. And then Sunday I have church, and then my birthday is on the 14th, but we're doing like a celebration on the 12th because everyone like works on the 14th and I work, so it's just, we're just gonna have a little celebration on Sunday, and there's church on Sunday as well, obviously. And whatever I will get done, like to-do lists usually come up day by day. Planning for the week, like if I don't do this, then everything just feels off, you know. So yeah, I gotta put all my stuff away now. Honestly, planning like this, like, you know, to some it may seem a little extra, but for me it's fun. I enjoy it a lot. It's like a little hobby. And not every week, I don't like put stickers and all that, but like I just think it's cute. I don't know, it's fun, and it's fun to look back on and like see what I was doing that day, like, and how it looks when it's like filled up. So yes, I'm excited. I can't believe I'll be turning 24 next week. Like, where did the time go? I don't know. But anyways, that is something that I like to do, and I'm getting ready for bed soon. So basically what I've been doing recently is reading before bed, and I just love it. Like, it's so relaxing and peaceful. So I'm glad that it's summer so I can get back into reading. But the book that I'm reading right now is The Silent Patient, and I'm a little more than halfway done with it, and it's really, really good so far. I'm finally tackling my stack of books that I have to read. I actually got this at the thrift store for $3. I was shocked that I found this. So check out your thrift stores for books, because it's, you never know, it's cheaper. But yeah, so I'm gonna get into bed, read this, and that's basically it. Some nights, like I said, some nights I don't do this, but I love having just like my room picked up and cleaned, everything's planned, so that I don't have all these thoughts going into my head of like, oh, I have to do this and this week, but everything's like out. But yes, anyways, I'm just gonna hop into bed, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.